Glass bottle impact testers are essential tools widely used to determine the impact resistance, breakage potential, and various strength-related characteristics of glass products. These testers ensure that glass products are robust enough for their intended use. Texcare Instruments Glass Bottle Impact Tester provides reliable and reproducible strength evaluations to assess the impact resistance of glass bottles and containers effectively. Impact tests on glass bottles can be conducted on a variety of products, including cosmetic bottles and perfume bottles, beer bottles or food jars, and glass products that are used for various trading purposes like stemware. Feel free to contact us using any of the contact details. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.